Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. We live from Heathrow Terminal 4. We're traveling to Paris, but this video I want to give you guys a quick tour of how this airport look like. We started the journey from Bristol, but this is just the Heathrow airport. We arrived at the airport very early because our flight was cancelled, but we managed to get on another flight, which is Air France, heading to Paris. Then from Paris to Mauritius. If you want to follow and see the whole journey, the whole tour, the whole vlog in Mauritius, please continue following us, and also make sure you turn your notifications so that you see the next video. Well, guys, we arrived at the airport very early. We booked with a company called Maple Parking. Guys, if you want to check on the link below. And also during our trip in Mauritius, we use a company called Expedia. Guys, if you want to check all the hotels, the flight, how we book everything, click on this link and use this link. Whatever you purchase here, we get a little bit kickback, so it does help support the channel. So guys, we arrived at the airport. It was amazing. The drivers, the staffs were waiting for us at the gate, so they collect the card, they give us a card. All we have to do is go to the airport, and the rest was history. When we arrived, we just have to call them about a few minutes before we got our luggage, and the car was waiting for us at the arrival. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing tour. We're traveling to Mauritius for 8 days, so if you want to follow and watch the whole vlog, please consider following, and also check all the videos coming up. Is this one, yeah? I'm doing advert for you. What? Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Guys, we are in Heathrow International Airport. Heathrow Terminal 4, that's where we are right now. We're flying to Mauritius. We're flying to Mauritius via Paris, Charles de Gaulle. We got here very early because our flight was cancelled, but I will tell you guys that story. Why we managed to get here and how we managed to get to another flight. But this video is going to be like the airport, the check-in process, the lounge and everything. But I'll also tell you how we book the flight, how we get change, after the cancellation. But yes, so we're here to use the washroom for now. Then I'll definitely continue touring this amazing airport. So stay tuned. As you can see here, this is the Etihad residence. I'm in first class, and then there is their backdrop all the way there. I believe there's more airlines down there, and this is just the terminal. There's a coffee shop, there's bars, and the security is just the front there. This is our big luggage. We're just waiting for the check-in desk to open, then we can find where our check-in desk will be. I believe ours will be at a D gate. The gate open 4 a.m. in the morning. Well, guys, this is the Air France KLM check-in desk. They have a self-service desk here, which is not bad at all. Here's the Skype priority. It's actually closer to the F gate, which is down here. So once you come out, once you enter the airport, it's literally outside the co-pilot bar and kitchen, which is just around here. Right, guys, I'm going to sort my liquids because I just want to make sure I sorted everything before I get to the check-in desk, and then from here straight to security, because it's been a long night and I just want to make sure I get past security so that we can actually begin our journey. Please do me a favor, consider liking this video and also share this video. Really? Good morning. We're currently in Terminal 4, Heathrow. We're currently sitting in a premium lounge, a beautiful lounge. Says guys, like the food choices in this lounge is pretty amazing. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to do a quick tour of the lounge. I hope you enjoyed this video. The food choices, the service here is pretty amazing and it's very huge. Plugs, seating, shower, everything is in here. I just made myself a nice iced coffee and also have a very nice breakfast, including sausage, and baked beans. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. No problem, thank you. They have a prayer room for men and for female. Amazing. guys, that was very nice. Now we're heading to the gate. Now our gate is gate 15. I can also see Wetherspoon here. This is quite a posh Wetherspoon, to be fair. Let me show you guys.
We ask you to put them before sitting down.